Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I am going to be showcasing you how to turn on the dark mode on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or any other iPhone which is running with the latest iOS 26 update. So let's get started. Now the process is very simple. What you need to do is simply open up your settings, scroll down towards display and brightness, open it up, and in here you will find out the appearance option. Here you have two options, light and dark. If you press on the dark button, you will notice that the whole screen will become black and the text is going to be white. This means that the dark mode is going to be turned on. Now if you want to turn off the dark mode, just press on that light button and it's going to be turned off. So basically that is how you can turn on or off the dark mode. Now you can also have the option to choose, instead of just turning the dark mode on for the whole time, you can automatically set or schedule the dark mode to turn on or off on specific time. Now in order to do that, you just need to turn on the automatic button and an option will be available down here. Just tap on that and here you will find out in the appearance schedule two options, sunset to sunrise and custom schedule. Now if I press on the custom schedule, you will notice that the light and the dark mode options are going to be available and there is going to be a timing for them. Now you can set any time between the light and the dark mode and it automatically get into the dark mode and get out of the dark mode based on that schedule which you have set up. So guys, that is basically how you can turn on or off or schedule the dark mode on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or any other iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Peace.